Every pen begins with the simplest of ingredients, plastic and metal, waiting to be transformed.
These tiny pellets are the foundation of every smooth writing pen. Ink begins as carefully measured pigments, each color blended to perfection. Even the tiniest metal components must be precision cut for flawless performance. The perfect pencil starts with wood selected for strength and smoothness. Graphite, the heart of a pencil, is mined with care before any assembly begins.
Natural rubber is harvested meticulously, destined for the erasers on your pencils.
Even small accessories like clips begin as raw plastic, shaped with precision.
Every pen must eventually meet its packaging, starting with raw sheets of cardboard. Even the smallest springs require scrutiny, ensuring smooth, retractable action.
Special waxes and lubricants guarantee ink flows without hesitation.
Every pencil and pen is bonded with adhesives engineered for strength and safety.
With all raw materials gathered, the journey from components to pens is about to begin. The journey.
Precision-timed deliveries ensure production never pauses.